In the heart of the forest, there's a stream that whispers secrets. This isn't a fairy tale. It's a real phenomenon known as acoustic emissions. When water flows over certain rocks, it creates vibrations that sound like whispers. Scientists discovered that these rocks contain quartz, which generates electricity under pressure, causing the mysterious sounds. This quirky fact reveals nature's hidden symphony, where geology meets acoustics in a surprising duet. Next time you hear a stream, listen closely. It might just be sharing its secrets. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.